I finished working on my two chest sets. They're both made of ash and walnut. They're end green, and this one has a maple edge, and this one has a walnut edge. And the pieces are inside, both of them. So there are the pieces for this one, and in this one, the pieces are inside. I had some extra left over, so I made these tic-tac-toe as well. I made a couple of tic-tac-toe games. Lots and lots and lots of work and sanding. So I'll put all the details. These are all kinds of different woods and so much fun to make and to have for our family. Here are the chess sets all set up and ready for play. I made the pieces out of boxwood and walnut. The chess tables themselves are made out of end grain ash and walnut. And then there's maple on the edge of this one and walnut on the edge of that one. And each of these pieces, it's a modernistic look, squarish. Each piece took me forever to sand, and you know, it was totally worth it though. Ended up terrific. Very pleased with this. And I think kids, grandkids will have fun playing with this for years and years. And now the tables are all set up for checkers. The holes in the top designate a king. Thought I'd show it on this one. These have not been kinged yet. Anyway, that's what it looks like in a checkers mode. I just picked up the raw lumber, $155 worth, for two chest sets. We got 2 feet of 10 by 4, 10-quarter black walnut and ash, and then I've got these 2 long boards of walnut, black walnut on the left, and on the right is curly maple. I hope I can get some curly parts in that. I can't really tell. Some good places. Anyway, this is what it looked like in its raw form. I'm cutting the splines into the maple edges here. I built this jig last night. This is a great spline jig. Everybody needs one.